Hello friends, welcome to Glorious Nature. Today I came to prove of Kalanchio plant. Okay, so I think you remember that Kalanchio plant. This is the Kalanchio plant, beautiful flowering indoor plant. I think first or second video with that Kalanchio plant. Different color of Kalanchio plant I already explained. So now I came for not explaining regarding care. I'm just proving, okay? Just prove what we'll do when the flower die. Many people are asking, we like this plant because of flowering, but we are scared to keep indoor because when the flower will die, what will do? That plant will die, or we can survive this plant, or what can do if the flower die, or if the leaf also die, what can do? Many people are asking. So that's why I came with some proof. So you can see this is a Kalanchio. Okay, this you can see here, all flower dry. So when the Kalanchio came out like this, many flower, bunch of flower, very beautiful plant. So now that flower died. So what you will do? You have to report this plant. So you have to take big size, I mean double size of same like pot. I mean this pot is small. So double size pot you have to select. Then you have to report the plant. Then just cut the branch of flower area. Then we can keeping in good shade area, or we can keeping in indoor as well as, but you have to provide good indirect light. So flower will come again. So this is the proof, okay. You can see here. I think you can identify when the flower, when the plant coming from Holland, full flower, okay. But now when I say with full flower it came, but flower dry, then I kept outside. When I kept outside within 45 days, within I keeping in very shade area, good shade area. So within 45 days I got flowering. Wonderful, yeah. So when the flower dry, don't worry, it rebloom, okay. So when I keep it keeping in shade area, within 45 days I can get new flowers. You can see here many buds also. See here new leaves also. So this is the proof of Kalanchio. Then here also one plant, okay. When the Kalanchio, same like when it came, flower dry, then leaves also full dry. I mean only 3 leaves are remaining. When this plant, okay, when it come with more flower, with more leaf, but after some time, I think after flower dry, plant also become weak. So that plant also dried. I think only 3 leaf or 2 leaf remaining. That time I reported. I changed the pot. You can see plant will come from Holland, this size pot, okay. When I changing, I take double size pot. You can here also, you can see here also, double size pot I took when I reporting. Then I reported double size, I took double size pot and I reported. It took I think 2 months. Within 2 months, new leaves came. Only it have 2 leaf or 3 leaf. Then within 2 months it got it many leaf. Then it will come buds and flowering also. It will rebloom. So don't worry about Kalanchio if the flower dry or if the plant also become weak. So this one I don't keeping in any shade area. I just keeping in our outside temperature. But during I think winter time, I think till 18 to 26 degrees Celsius outside temperature. During that winter time, I just kept in outside. So I didn't keeping any shade area. So don't worry about Kalanchio plant. If the flower dry, if the leaves also dry, we can survey this plant, okay. So don't worry about Kalanchio. If your Kalanchoe plants flower dry or leaf also become dry, leaves also fall down, don't worry. You can provide good bright light rebloom. So bye bye.